So I'm Pierre Barnon from Tecnalia. I belong to the group of Thierry Keller in the health division, and I will present you shortly the results and the work we've done on the stimulator itself, stimulator and recording electronics. So as it was presented before, I mean, the challenge here is to have a system that is a standalone system that is portable, powered, and able to generate both stimulation power, so up to 200 volts, and up to 100 milliamps current to the human body in a size and factor that is portable. So what we've seen before from the EEG recording and electronics, all the cables goes to an amplifier and is processed on a dedicated computer. So now the challenge is to make a full standalone device, and that's what I will quickly show to you today, where we are. So basically, we start with dedicated electronics. Maybe I will just go to that view. Dedicated electronics, that is a layered electronics with a main control board with stimulation power, and then a board for acquisition and recording that is able to generate and send different digital commands and current to the electrodes later. This electronic is powered by battery, as you can see here. It goes in a dedicated casing for closing and ensuring then proper connection. The connection will be done through pogo pins that are connectors with resistive elements that will push and make a good contact to the connector here. So when mounted into the box, the stimulator goes onto this other part that is dedicated to go later on the human arm. So with the dedicated curvature, so the stimulators goes in. And it has, as you've seen from previous demonstration, different electrodes. Some electrodes for stimulation and some electrodes for EMG recordings. So the electrodes, you've seen them working and demonstrated with Milos in the previous demonstration. Then here we just attach and go to the forearm. And we just tighten it up at the proper place. For use as a standalone device. This drop velcro. Oops. Goes here, yeah. And the device then has a button power. This I will not turn it on because, well, you won't see any difference, but it has some LEDs for visual information about the status of the device, whether the Bluetooth is paired, whether a stimulation is going on or not. And the device then can be used as a standalone, portable, easy to use solution. That will be obviously integrated with the textile electrode that we've seen before, not these direct electrodes that we see here. It's for demonstration purposes, but this is how the final system will look like. Future work to be done, further miniaturization if possible to this system, but also commands to actually control the 2 to 4 demultiplexer that has been shown prior to this demonstration, to command and choose the pads to activate for stimulation and the pads to read for EMG recording. That's what I wanted to share with you today. Hope you enjoyed it.